Hello, today I will explain to you how to use the platform. Using the platform is very simple. First, go to askyourpro.com. You will arrive at our homepage. The first step is to ask your question. To do this, click on Get Started. In the first box, explain clearly your situation. Provide all the information that is relevant to assess your condition. It is important to include as many details as possible so that the healthcare professional can fully understand your situation. In the second box, ask your question clearly. Once the two sections are completed, you can click on Next. Step 2 is to create your account or log in if you already have an account with us. If this is your first time using Ask Your Pro, opening your account is very simple. You must enter your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, and zip code. This information allows professionals to provide you a personalized answer. Don't worry, this information remains confidential. Only the healthcare professional who will answer your question will have access to this information. Also, you will need to enter an email address to which you want to be notified when your question is answered. Choose a strong password composed at least of 8 characters long, including 1 digit, 1 special character, and 1 uppercase letter. You can read our terms of use before accepting them. Then, you will need to activate your account in order to complete your registration. You will receive an activation link by email to be able to activate your account. This step allows us to ensure that you have not made a mistake in your email address and that we can indeed send you the response from the health professional. Don't forget to check your spam box, as our confirmation email may end up there. And finally, when a healthcare professional answers your question, you will receive an email notification. You need to log back into the platform to see the answer. Alright, you're all set to use Ask Your Pro.